morning everyone! Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in underpass tunnel of Cornish, connecting from the beach, Cornish beach to the park of Lake Park. They have a nice painting. I like the painting of this underpass. A nice painting. Yeah. The painting cannot fade because it's a permanent painting. Cannot fade. See? So yeah, they have a nice the water is open today. Look at the water. The water is open today. See, this is going out to the park. Lake Park. Lake Park. This underpass from Cornish Beach to Lake Park.